So, hello, seniors, ready to level up your future? We're cohort 16 from California State University of Fullerton, and we're here to help unlock some great opportunities with the Maywood Education Fair scholarships. My name is Cynthia Beltran.
And I am Clarissa Galleta.
We will be your speakers for this video.
The Maywood Education Fair is all about helping you succeed. For the day of the event, we will be providing workshops, guest speakers, giveaways, and scholarships that will help you get ready for life after high school and help you do well in college.
So, some great exciting news this year. We got 4 amazing scholarships up for grabs just for you.
Now, we know senior year is full of big moments, graduation, prom, and college applications, but don't miss out on these scholarships that can help you start your next chapter strong. For the next couple of weeks, we will receive a 3-part video series to aid in the scholarship application process. For our first video, we will discuss eligibility requirements for all 4 available scholarships.
Now, there are 4 general requirements to be eligible for these scholarships. The first is that you need to be a high school senior in the Southeast Los Angeles area. The second is that your grade point average, also known as GPA, needs to be at least 2.5. If your GPA is below a 2.5, you can still apply for the scholarships. In the applications form, you'll just have the opportunity to explain your situation. We understand that at times circumstances may affect the ability to do well in school. Our third requirement is to fully complete the application form, which includes a personal statement, a foster care verification form for those who are eligible, and an unofficial high school transcript.
If you're a student in need of a foster care verification, there is a follow-up video solely focused on explaining this process. The last requirement is that students must commit to participating in the Leadership Development Institute, which will be held in person in the spring of 2025. If you are a student who receives a scholarship, you must attend this event.
Now, these scholarships are open to all high school seniors, including foster youth and or undocumented students who plan to enroll at a college, university, trade, or vocational school in fall 2025. The 4 scholarships are the Black Excellence Scholarship, the Maywood Scholarship, the 15th Anniversary Scholarship, and the Overcoming Adversity Scholarships. These are all $1,000 scholarships.
Next, we will talk about the individual eligibility requirements for all 4 different scholarships. Some of these scholarships may have extra eligibility requirements that the general requirements spoken about in the beginning of this video.
Now, for the Black Excellence Scholarship is for those who identify as Black and or African American. As part of the commitment to ensure equitable access, this scholarship was designed to provide aid for Black and or African American students who want to pursue higher education endeavors by obtaining financial support.
The Maywood Scholarship is for seniors who are a resident of the city of Maywood and understand that Maywood has a rich history of generational families. Therefore, we want to honor and highlight the residents that make Maywood Maywood. Please list your home address in the application to ensure you qualify for the scholarship.
Now, for the 15th Anniversary Scholarship, they're for senior students in Maywood or the neighboring cities. Considering this is the 15th year of the Maywood Education Fair, we want to highlight its legacy by providing a scholarship that anyone can apply for with no specific criteria and to ensure that those who apply have a shot at becoming a part of the history of the Maywood Education Fair.
The last scholarship available is the Overcoming Adversity Scholarship. For these students who are current or former foster youth. The Overcoming Adversity Scholarship is designed to support individuals who have faced significant challenges in their lives, particularly those in the foster care system. The scholarship aims to recognize the resilience, determination, and strength of these young people as they work towards higher education and personal growth. This scholarship reflects a deep commitment to uplifting foster youth, transforming their challenges into opportunities for academic and personal success. To apply for this scholarship, a foster youth verification form must be submitted. As mentioned previously, there will be another video available on this topic that will explain this process extensively.
Now, remember, for all of these scholarships, you need to fulfill the general eligibility requirement as well. If you're a student who receives a scholarship, you must attend the Leadership Development Institute, which will be held in person in the spring of 2025.
A great thing about these scholarships is that any student can apply for multiple scholarships that suit them. For example, if you live within Maywood and identify as Black, you can apply for the Maywood Scholars Scholarship, Black Excellence Scholarship, and the 15th Anniversary Scholarship. Note, if you qualify for several or even all four, you will only be able to receive one scholarship. The goal of having these scholarships is to ensure that there are equal opportunities for students of various backgrounds to receive funding as they begin their higher education endeavors.
Because you're able to apply to multiple scholarships, it's important to select the preferred scholarship title you want to be recognized for, as you can only obtain one if selected. So even if you apply for multiple, select your top choice. This is how it's going to look like in the application form. Just select the one you want to be recognized for if you were to be selected for a scholarship.
All right, so need help? Got questions? Email us at maywoodfair@fullerton.edu. And don't forget, the scholarship deadline is coming up, so get your applications in ASAP. Thank you for listening and see you next time.